Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points a minus 3 comma minus 2 and b 7 comma 2. Now since this is let given point be c x comma 0, y coordinate is 0 because point lies on x-axis. Now we have cx comma 0 equidistant from both. So if we write the ratio, not ratio, distance, if we take distance of c from a is equal to distance of c from b, and we know distance formula is d is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula where x1, y1 and x2, y2 are 2 points. Okay, so to find distance of c from a, we have, let's see, under root of x2, let's take x2 as c, that is x, so x minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 0, so 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. This should be equal to under root of x2 is x minus 7 square plus 0 minus 2 square. Now since both are under square root, let's take square on both sides. Squaring both sides, we are left with x minus of minus 3 is plus 3, so x plus 3 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, so 2 square is 4 equal to x minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 square is 4, so 4 get cancelled out. So we are left with, let's see, x plus 3 whole square, x square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 3 into x, that is 6x plus 3 square which is 9 equal to x square minus 2 into x into 7, that is minus 14x plus 49. So now x square gets cancelled, and let's take this 14x over to this side and 9x over to this side. So we are left with 14x plus 6x equal to 49 minus 9. So we have 20x equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 2. So we get value of x as 2. Therefore given point will be C2, 0. This is the answer.